Did you know that plant-based food sales have skyrocketed? It's a trend that's taking the world by storm. It's true. They've jumped by over 27% in recent years. This remarkable growth is reshaping the food industry. This shows a huge shift in how we think about food. People from all walks of life are embracing plant-based diets. More people are choosing plant-based options for their health and the planet. It's not just a trend, it's a movement towards a sustainable future. This surge in plant-based eating tells us something important. Nutrition is changing fast. The variety and creativity in plant-based cuisine are expanding rapidly. We need to keep up with these changes to make the best choices for ourselves. Consulting with nutritionists and reading labels can help us stay informed. The future of food is here, and it's filled with exciting innovations. From new plant-based products to advanced cooking techniques, the possibilities are endless. Nutrition isn't just about counting calories anymore. It's about understanding how food affects our bodies on a deeper level. We now have access to more information than ever before. This helps us personalize our diets and make informed decisions. Understanding these changes is crucial. Why? Because what we eat impacts our energy levels, mood, and long-term health. Keeping up with all the new information can feel overwhelming. Conflicting studies and fad diets add to the confusion. It's hard to know what to believe. This is where reliable sources and expert advice come in. Don't fall for quick fixes or extreme diets. Look for evidence-based information from trusted sources. Your doctor or a registered dietitian can help you separate fact from fiction. Exciting trends shaping the future. The future of nutrition is full of exciting trends. From innovative food technologies to personalized nutrition plans, the way we eat is undergoing a revolution. Personalized diets are becoming increasingly popular. Imagine having a diet plan that is specifically designed for your body's needs. Imagine getting dietary recommendations tailored to your unique genes and lifestyle. This means more effective and efficient ways to stay healthy. Food technology is also rapidly evolving. Advanced cooking gadgets and innovative food production methods are making it easier to prepare healthy meals. And let's not forget about sustainability. Sustainable farming practices are becoming more common as people seek to reduce their environmental footprint. People are becoming more aware of the environmental impact of their food choices. This awareness is driving changes in how food is produced and consumed. This is leading to a rise in sustainable farming practices and a focus on reducing food waste. By composting and using eco-friendly methods, we can create a more sustainable future for everyone. Your plate, your future. In this section, we explore the exciting innovations that are shaping the future of our diets and the way we think about food. The future of nutrition is full of possibilities. From plant-based alternatives to sustainable farming practices, the options are expanding rapidly. Sustainable farming practices could reduce the environmental impact of food production significantly. Traditional farming is resource-intensive, requiring vast amounts of land, water, and feed. Sustainable farming, on the other hand, uses fewer resources and produces less greenhouse gas emissions. By staying informed and embracing these trends, we can make choices that benefit both our health and the planet. Imagine a world where our food choices contribute to a sustainable future. So, what does the future of food mean to you? Share your thoughts. Engage in conversations with your community and explore new food innovations together. I'm eager to hear your perspective. Your insights and ideas can help shape a healthier, more sustainable future for everyone.